Such a sweet baby. Let's see what life will eventually bring to him. Ah, Alzheimer's. Well, at least he'll live past 80. Can't really complain.
Healthy enough until then. That's just the way things go.
Oh, bad luck. Cancer at 54, but that's part of it.
No one would accept this wheel of fortune. Yet in reality, we do exactly that. We just give it a harmless name. Aging. Enough standing by and doing nothing. Aging is the main risk factor for most deadly diseases. Let's make curing it our priority. Aging means every day our bodies break down, a little more each time. Cellular waste builds up and suffocates what's inside. Protein crosslinks stiffen our blood vessels, and old cells don't die. They poison their neighbors. Why do we accept that aging eventually takes everything from us? It's time to fight back against this fate. Your vote for research.